Guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox something different, and which is this one. So this one is the Sandy the Rail Speeder, and this is from the Thomas and Friends series. So this one is by Fisher Price. I think the manufacturer is Mattel, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, manufacturer is Mattel. So whatever cars you see, this one it is by Mattel only. So this one is a bit hard to get, so I was able to get my hands on one. This looked really cute, and the color combination looks really beautiful on this one compared to literally every other piece in the series. So let's unbox this one and see how it looks. I was really waiting so long to unbox this one, so finally I just decided to do this time. Okay, here it is. It does look really cute. Okay, so the initial impressions of this particular piece is, okay, this looks so beautiful and so cute, as you can see here. The detailing looks really nice. So I never actually watched Thomas and Friends so far. So if anyone is watching, or anyone watched, or anyone's kids is watching this series, just let me know if this is how the actual one looks in that cartoon. Okay, so I think, okay, this part is made of metal. Yeah, this is also made of metal. Not sure if this is supposed to do something. It looks pressable, but nothing is happening here. Okay, so this one you can see it moves a little bit like this. It moves like this a little bit, and like this a little bit, but not too much. Okay, the tires, the wheels are actually made of plastic, chassis is metal, so it doesn't have any suspension at all. I know, just, but does look really cute. Wow, it rolls really fast as well. It may not, it may not be a Hot Wheels, but see, I didn't even give that much push. It just rolls really well, but it does have this, you know, pitch and roll. It does have some wheel wobble, but okay. So if your kids wants to play with it, just go ahead and buy it. This looks so cute. I personally like this one. So some of my friends were asking me to unbox this one, so I bought it. So I'm just going to keep it along with the Toy Story, Buzz Lightyear version of Cars version of that one. I did unbox that I think a year back, if I'm not wrong. So this also looks really good. So I'm just okay. So this part is actually, this entire piece is plastic. It is not metal, and I think this part is also plastic. Yeah, I guess so. Does look really plasticky, but it says metal, but I'm not sure. It looks plastic. Looks plastic. But I'm really not sure about this. Is it supposed to do something or just fixed it here? But regardless, this is an awesome piece, and I personally love this one. I'm just going to keep it as it is. I'm not going to sell it to anyone. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.